Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to voice message on WhatsApp, and now let's dive right in. Now to voice message on WhatsApp, first open up the WhatsApp on your phone, and after that guys, open the chat box of the person to whom you want to voice message. So let's go. And on this interface guys, you can see the mic icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on that mic icon, and after that you can see you will be able to record your message over here, speak your message, and then let go. And after that voice message will be sent over here like this guys. Tap and hold on it and swipe it up, and you will be able to see this kind of interface. You can see you can do a little bit of editing over here. Tap if you pause it, and with that being done guys, tap on the airplane icon, and this is a way you will be able to send voice messages on WhatsApp. And there guys, this is how to send voice messages on WhatsApp. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.